Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Mira token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Mira is a decentralized verification network that enables truly autonomous AI. Current AI system produced hallucination and unreliable outputs requiring constant human oversight that prevents their development in critical applications. Mira solves this through consensus based verification, routing outputs through multiple independent AI models and requiring agreements between them. This creates mathematically verifiable, trustless results without human intervention, eliminating single points of failure while maintaining real time performance. With Mira, AI can operate autonomously in high stakes domains like healthcare, finance, and legal services, where accuracy is non negotiable. By providing the verification infrastructure for trustworthy AI outputs, Mira transforms AI from a supervised tools into autonomous intelligence capable of independent operation. Mira token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 191.24 million Mira token. Mira token is listed on Binance, KuCoin, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.